You guys, I think I just made a deal on this machine. I'm here at Arizona Motors in Snowflake, Arizona, and I think this is a 2026. I'm not even sure, but I'm about to buy it brand new. Honda Pioneer 520. Those of you who've been watching the channel for over a decade know that for a couple of years we had Rambo. That's what we called our 2018 Honda Pioneer 500 that we did a whole video series on. And now, today, it's looking like I'm gonna pick up this machine, take it on a ride this weekend up in Utah. All right, first start in the Pioneer 520. I mean, it's not the first time it's being started, but it is the first time it's being started by me. Oh, it's in drive. Okay, there we go, it's in neutral. Let's see, what's the mileage on this thing? From going in and out of the dealer. Oh, just 1.4, okay. 0.6 hours. All right, here we go. Let's try this again. Fired right up. That's a very familiar sound. All right, I'm gonna take it on a little test drive here and make sure it all feels good.